Hello friends, welcome to this session on basic customizations in WordPress. WordPress provides a platform for creating websites and blogs. It packs a ton of features. It's also really customizations friendly. If you want to change anything about it, WordPress allows you to do so in one way or the other. In this session, we will show you how to customize the appearance, which describes look and feel of a WordPress website using some basic configurations. I assume you are familiar with how to add the basic content such as page, post, and blog in WordPress sites. Now, let us open wordpress.com in your web browser. At the upper right corner, you will find a login button. You have to log in with your existing user account. Here, you just enter the username, press continue. Now, enter your password and press login. Once you log in your WordPress account, it will open such type of window. Press the My Sites button. The left portion is known as your dashboard. Select the WordPress websites that you want to customize from here. You can switch the sites, your WordPress sites from here. Select the one which you want to customize. Press the View Stat. Just click on Visit Site button. At the bottom right corner, you will see such icon for customizations. Just click on it. From here, you can have different customizations options. These are the different customizations functions. The first one is a site identity. Here, you can set a logo of your WordPress website. You can add the site title, or you can also assign a tagline. Suppose you want to add a site icon, then from here you select the image. You are required to drag and drop the file on this window. Just press the select file and select the file from your local hard disk. Other option is media library. You can also add the item or image from this media library. These three items that I already added in my media library. So either you can add the image from media library, or you can upload a new file from your local hard disk. The second option is for color and background. You can change the color as well as the background of your WordPress site. These are the different colors that are available. You can also set a background image. For that, you just select the image button, and from here just select the appropriate image file, either from these sections, either from this tab, or from media library tab. So this is about color and background. The next option is font. From here you can change the heading fonts and base font. These are the available fonts. You can also change the header image. To add a new image, you have to click add new image. The same, either you can select the image file, either you can upload a new file, or you can select an existing media library file. Menu. From here, you can create a new menu. Just give a menu name. For example, sample menu. You can also select where you want to place this a new menu in your page. These are the two options. Either you can place it at header or social menu. We can add the page to a menu. We can also reorder them to get a new menu. Content options. These are the available content options. For example, post details, featured image, etc. Widgets. A widget is nothing but a small applications that runs within your website. For example, this is a text widget which actually does not do anything but simply to display the text which is inside. You can have a widgets at the sidebar. You can also place widgets at the footer 1, footer 2 and footer 3. So this is about widgets. You can also change the homepage setting from here. You can select from these two options. Your homepage displays your latest post, or you want to display your homepage as a static page. Featured content. From here you can also assign the tag name. Theme options. These are the available theme options. Once you have changed or you have modified the options, to save the change you are required to press this publish button. From this, suppose you want to add a new side page. So from here you can add a new page. Just add the title and description over here. You can also add the blog post from here. Same, you can add the title here and the description over here. You can add the media. Just click on this add button. You can add image, you can add a document, videos and audios as your media files. So this is all about basic customizations functions that is available in WordPress. Now it's a time to think over the reflections quiz. And the question is, what is the name of the first page you encountered while logging into your web page? Just think for a few seconds. The correct answer is option A. It is called dashboard. The second question is, once you have entered your content onto your blog and completed the final edits, what button do you activate to send it live? Just think the answer of these questions. The correct answer is option D, publish. So to summarize, you can customize the website by clicking on customize options or customize icon available at the bottom right corner here. You can change the title, you can change the color, fonts, header image, menus, widgets. We show how to add a media to page, how to change the theme, and to add a new widgets. Thank you for listening.